look at downtown Denver, you can see the clouds and the fog is sticking with us as we head throughout the rest of our day. Temperatures right now at 37 degrees for downtown Denver, 38 degrees over at DIA. We do have winds coming in about 6 miles per hour, so still fairly calm. When it comes to what we're seeing on our satellite and radar, well, here it is. We're seeing a lot of snow across most of these areas and also some rain. This snow is starting to move across most of the foothills like Idaho Springs up into Boulder, Estes Park as well. Seeing a lot of moisture really just compact them. Really most of the north part of our state going into northeastern part of our state is seeing most of these showers, and of course across parts of the Denver metro area. Today is Taco Tuesday, and it's going to get a little saucy out there because we're going to see widespread rain and also snow across our area. Temperatures will be in the 30s for today. We'll be struggling to get up into the 40s. In just a few, I'll be telling you your full forecast, but we do have Lauren outside in Loveland. Lauren, you've been out there all love to meet them, so thank you so much for your email. Here's a look at our weather action day. So we have a weather action day in place due to the weather storm warnings that we're seeing across our area. We also are going to be expecting widespread snowfall and freezing temperatures as we head throughout the rest of our week. Well, 2 days actually. Okay, here's what we're seeing for Tuesday. Right now, across our satellite and radar, it's fairly busy. We're seeing some showers more to the northeastern plains, across the foothills. They're seeing some snow out there like Evergreen, Georgetown, going up to Allens Park and Estes Park as well. We have seen a round of snow and also showers across most of the northeastern part of the state and even parts of Fort Collins and going north from Fort Collins, even Steamboat Springs. Now, heading throughout the rest of your day, you're going to see the same moisture. Moisture is going to continue to move across most of our area. Heading into that 1 o'clock hour, we're going to see temperatures in the 30s, snow chances for not only just the foothills and up into the northern part of our state, but also for Denver. Then when it comes to the northeastern plains, they're going to be expecting a mix of rain and also snow. That will continue until about 6 o'clock. Heading throughout the rest of your Tuesday, you're going to be expecting rounds of showers to continue, but the big thing is going to change is going into Tuesday night until Wednesday morning. That's when you're going to see heavy snow bands across our area. Looking at our winter storm warning, that's going to go in effect at 8 p.m. and then continue until 3 p.m. We're also going to see a winter weather advisory that's going to start around noon, so just in the next 30 minutes or so, and then that will continue until Wednesday. Now, when it comes to how much snow accumulation that we can see in those higher places, a little bit more to that Wyoming border, can see between 10 to 14 inches of snow, a little bit closer to the foothills, between 6 to 18 inches, pushing into those northern mountains. And then for us here in the Denver metro, we can see between 4 to 8 inches. This is all being charged by a cold front system. This cold front system is not only bringing cool air, but it's also bringing bands and bands of moisture. Heading into the overnight hours, we're going to continue to see snow across our area. Waking up tomorrow morning, widespread snow chances, and then heading into Wednesday afternoon, going into Wednesday evening, that's when we're going to have those dry conditions return back into our forecast, and that's the time that you, Dave, and Lisa will be heading into Denver. Overall, your freeze warning is from 9 p.m. tonight, and then that will continue into tomorrow morning with temperatures as low, Thursday morning with temperatures as low as 22 degrees. Overall, weather action day stays in place for the next 2 days due to the severe weather that we're going to be seeing, and also due to those frigid temperatures at night. But then Thursday, Friday, heading into the weekend, we're going to have temperatures back into the 60s and 70s. Front system is dominating our forecast, bringing wet weather and also those cool temperatures across that area. Even though it's spring, it feels more like February and January with the temperatures and what we're seeing outside. Heading throughout the rest of your Tuesday, you're going to see snow showers and also mixed with some rain for most of the Denver metro and just north of Denver near Fort Collins and Loveland, even getting up into Cheyenne. That will continue as we head throughout our Tuesday evening, going into our Tuesday night. We're going to be expecting widespread showers and also snow heading into our Wednesday morning. For most of us waking up tomorrow morning, your commute is going to be wet and cold out there because it's going to be frigid temperatures and also some snowy conditions on the roads. Overall, get into your Wednesday afternoon. Most of it's going to be moving out. When it comes to our precipitation forecast, we're going to be expecting rain and snow for Tuesday, AM snow chances for Wednesday, then drying out by Wednesday night. Heading into your Thursday, getting into your weekend, you're going to see much drier conditions across our area. As well, looking at your Super 7-day forecast, temperatures for tonight will be at 29 degrees, 39 will be for tomorrow's high, and then tomorrow's low will be in the upper 20s once again. Thursday and Friday, we're going to have much different weather with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s.